If you're tired of setting goals that fizzle out faster than New Year's Eve fireworks, you're in the right place. Today, we're unveiling the secrets to crafting resolutions that are not just wishes but realities. Stick around because, trust me, 2024 is your year. 1. Living consciously. Often we make lofty unrealistic resolutions, such as getting a six-pack through gym workout, or doubling our income, but we don't have a plan to make it happen. Only about 9% of people will succeed in their resolutions. To keep to our 2024 New Year resolutions, we need dedication and effective time management. Staying focused so we can keep our eyes on the prize. Multi-billion-dollar enterprises are capturing and retaining our attention, diverting our focus from our goals. For example, TV binge watching or scrolling on social media. By being conscious of how we are spending our time, we can decrease these distractions and focus on our long-term goals. By changing our daily habits helps to align with our resolutions. Check out the video above on how to change your daily habits. 2. Crafting resolutions that stick. Crafting resolutions that aren't just forgotten gym memberships and unrealistic, unattainable goals. Crafting resolutions isn't just about willpower, it's about strategy. The secret? Be smart. That's right, SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. It's not just a buzzword, it's the GPS for your success journey. For example, instead of saying, "I want to be fit," try, "I will walk 10,000 steps every day for the next 90 days. See the difference? Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. 3. Visualization and accountability. But wait, there's more. Ever tried using the power of visualization? It's a game changer. Picture yourself achieving your goals, feel the success, and make it real in your mind. It's like a mental rehearsal for victory. Plus, bring in a buddy. Having an accountability partner transforms your resolution from a solo mission to a team effort. Share your goals, celebrate victories, and navigate challenges together. 2 heads are better than one, right? And there you have it, future goal-getters. Your guide to creating New Year's resolutions that are practically unstoppable. Smash that like button if you're ready to own 2024, hit subscribe for more goal-crushing content. Remember, your success story begins with the resolutions you set today. Here's to making them stick and making them epic. See you in the next video.